starting it.
Want to break free from the lies that... I don't know the words.
Maybe it should be, I want my oils for free.
I want my oils for free. God knows. God knows
I want to get my oils for free.
Thank you very much. Okay, is that enough?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Who's joining us tonight?
Let's give these people a little bit longer.
We're probably boring them. Okay.
Okay, it's enough.
It's enough.
Let's set the timer so that we know that we're not going to go on for
So we
too
don't
long.
ramble and we take the time. Okay. All right. Hi, everyone. I'm Kim, and
I'm Jeremy. Welcome.
we just thought we would give you a quick, well, hopefully it's going to be quick. I think we've set the timer for 20 minutes, so we won't go too long. 5 quick ways, to get your oils for free.
Exactly. We were talking before, and what were the 3 words that we came up with? Free,
Easy.
and simple. are the 3 words which people love, so especially free.
And easy.
And easy, yeah.
Yeah.
And simple, I'm simple. You're easy. No,
Yeah.
I didn't say that.
Thanks. All right. Let's start with the
No.
first way.
Now I'm just in big trouble. We'll talk about it afterwards.
That's what that look was. Okay, so the first way, I mean, obviously you've got to get a premium starter kit. I mean, you can't do anything without getting a premium starter kit.
Yeah.
So if you order a premium starter kit, I mean, they start at $259. Well, actually, you can get a culinary kit and a ninja starter kit for a bit less than that. So let's just say they start around $244, $250. You get your oils, you love them, you try them out, you tell all of your friends, like all of them, like how many Facebook friends do you have?
2.
Well, then you can tell 2 of your friends.
I'll tell them both.
I'm one of them.
I'm already in trouble because I think I need 4, don't I, to
Yes.
make this thing work.
Yeah. So if you want to be Jeremy's Facebook friend, so basically you need, the more friends that you tell about the oils and you share and you get them to get their own kit, I mean, obviously that's the best way for them. That way if they have any problems, not that there are any problems, but you know, like if they have any questions or anything like that, they can, with their delivery or anything like that, they can contact the company straight away.
Yep.
So for every person, every friend, family or otherwise, that you get connected with their own kit, Young Living will give you a check, basically. Well, they pay it into your account or they let you have it as a credit on your account to use for your products the next month. So for every person that you can get connected, Young Living gives you $65. $65, basically for just telling someone that you love about something that you love, which is something that I do every day. I'm always telling people about oils because I love them. So that means that if you do the 4 friends, so $65 for the first one, I'll be hopeless at the maths.
130.
195
Yep.
and $260, that's your kit paid for.
Yep.
4 friends. If you know 4 friends who would absolutely, their lives would be changed by getting rid of the chemicals and switching to a more natural product and using essential oils and a diffuser. I mean, we all love our diffusers and our oils. I mean, don't you know 4 friends that you could get to get their own kit? And your kit is paid for, $260. That's how much the company will pay you, okay? You also get sponsor bonuses and things like that, but I'm not going to go into that tonight because we wanted to keep it simple and easy.
And short.
Yes, so if you want to know more about that, you'll have to watch a compensation plan video. I'm not going to talk about that tonight, but basically if you look at $65 for every friend who gets their own kit, that's the first way.
Okay, we're counting down the top 5. I feel like I should do like a radio voice thing. Can I
Right,
do a radio voice?
sure.
Okay, here we are, counting down the top 5 ways to get your oils for free. Take it away, hot oily mama. Sorry.
Yeah, that was just weird.
I feel better now. So
I'm
that's
glad
not.
you do.
So number 1 is basically 4 friends. Share it with 4 friends, $65 each, and
Yeah.
that's your
Kit
for free.
For
Yeah.
free, yeah. The second way is if you go on Essential Rewards. Now, Essential Rewards, it's absolutely amazing. I tell people it's just like Flybuys, but actually better than Flybuys because you start off at 10%. I mean, Jeremy had an experience today of being on a loyalty program.
Yeah, sorry, I'm just laughing. My supermarket loyalty program, I got a message from them saying I only needed to spend another $1,106 and I'd get $10 off.
So we worked that out at like 1%. If you shop at like one of the big two supermarkets.
Less than 1%.
Less than, actually, we think it was a half a
Yeah,
percent.
half a percent.
Half a percent they give you back. Young Living give you 10% when you first start out for the first 3 months. So 10% of, if you're doing a 100 PV order, that's basically 10 PV a month. That's like a lemon oil or something like, you know. And then by the end of your 3 months, you've actually got 30 PV to spend. You could get a lavender, you could get, you know, stress away, you could get, I don't know what else is 30 PV, but I mean, obviously that varies depending on how much you spend. So, I mean, even coffee cards, like we were talking today about Subway. Even at Subway, they have a loyalty card, but the thing is, they give you what they want to give you. Like I think you were saying, it was a drink and a 6-inch sub and a 12-inch sub, and you know. Whereas with Young Living, you actually get to choose the products that you want for free. So I put them in a bank, like I bank them, and I then use them for whatever products I want to use them for, and that way I can go shopping. So it's kind of like, ooh, what will I spend my loyalty points on?
Yeah, well, which is good because you can accumulate them as well. Or you spend them as you go.
Yeah. What do you guys spend your loyalty points? Are you a saver or a spender? Do you spend them as soon as you get them, or do you save them like me? I save them. Yeah. All right, so that was, and I actually should say is that even though you start at 10% for the first 3 months, it then goes up to 20% from the month 3 till your 24 months. So basically when you've been with them for 2 years, then it goes up to 25%. So literally for every $100 that I spend every month on replacing all of the things that I would go to the, you know, there's 2 aisles at the supermarket that I don't even go down anymore. I basically do my shopping, and you know, for all my shampoos, conditioners, moisturizers, even my makeup now. So I skip that whole personal care product aisle. Imagine how much time that saves me not going up that aisle every day. I also skip the cleaning aisle, which makes me feel sick, the smell of that aisle. So not only am I, you know, doing my health some good by not breathing in the chemicals from that aisle, but I am saving time and saving money. So that's, you know, I'm getting back I'm getting $25 or 25% for every $100 that I spend, and I can use them on whatever I want. So that's the second way that you get stuff for free, is go on Essential Rewards. It's amazing.
Okay, number 3?
Number 3 is, once again, it's to do with Essential Rewards, because when you're on Essential Rewards, the company gives you loyalty bonuses. You don't walk into like those big, you know, department stores and they go, here you go, you've been with us for 3 months now, we will give you this. Oh, you've been with us for 6 months now, we'll give you this. That's what Young Living does. 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, and then on your anniversary, you get a gift. I mean, that's more than most of us get on our anniversary. Speaking from experience.
We've had this discussion and we'll have it again later.
On your anniversary, every 12 months with Young Living, you will get a free oil. And you can only get that 12-month free oil if you're on Essential Rewards. So it's kind of like, there's no other way. You can't buy it, I mean, unless someone's going to sell it to you under the table, but literally you can't buy it. You can't get it any other way. So I have a loyalty oil. Who here has a loyalty oil? Have you already got one? Yeah, I love my loyalty oil. So, all right.
It's the 5th.
The 4th.
I knew that.
4th of May.
I knew that.
That's our anniversary. Okay.
So close.
So that's the third way. Transfer buying. Swap out your shampoos, your conditioners, your moisturizers, your cleaning products, even your supplements, and you'll save time in 2 aisles of the supermarket. And Young Living will give you the free points and the free products. That's number 3.
So that brings us to number 4.
Yeah. So the 4th way that you can get products for free from Young Living is obviously the monthly promos. So every month, if you do the minimum order of whatever like every month it changes. So one month it might be 190, 250, 320. Another month it might be 190, 250, 400, whatever the minimum is. Young Living will actually give you free products with your order. And what I absolutely love is some months, those free products that you've actually got have been worth more than the products that you actually ordered.
Yeah.
We've calculated it, and you
Yeah.
know, particularly when they're giving away diffusers, you're getting more than what you're actually spending. So it's kind of like, that's a 50% discount. Free products, that's how you get free products.
Yep. So, and those things all add up, don't they? We're talking a cumulative effect here. If you're sharing it with your friends, all that stuff. Okay, that brings us to number 5.
So number 5 is, because you are on Essential Rewards, you believe in Essential Rewards, you want your friends to get the benefit of Essential Rewards, you tell your friends, get on Essential Rewards. And basically when they get on Essential Rewards, they'll also get free products. And the thing is, they'll be doing a monthly order of 100 PV as well. And when they do that 100 PV, Young Living once again pay you a bonus, if you like. They give you a referrals fee. I mean, they save on advertising because they're not out there advertising on TV or advertising on billboards. They're actually paying you word of mouth advertising to tell your friends about something that you love, and you tell them about the benefits and the difference that it made in your life. I mean, I always suggest people tell the before and after stories. This is what my life was like before the oils, and this is what my life is like after the oils. And so when you do that and your friends stay on Essential Rewards, for the first 3 months that they're on, so obviously if you sign them up with a premium starter kit, in the first month you'll get the $65 that I talked about as way number 1, so $65. And in the second and third month that they're on Essential Rewards, the company actually gives you an additional $32.50. So that means that after the 3 months, you'll actually end up with, I think I worked out it was like $180 because you get the 65 plus $32.50 plus $32.50. Oh no, it's $130. Sorry, my maths is terrible. That's why I'm an aromatherapist instead of, I don't know.
A maths teacher.
A maths teacher, yes. So that's the 5th way. So shall we recap?
Yep, let's do it. So number 1?
Number 1 is, once you've got your premium starter kit, tell all your friends. For each friend that you encourage to get their own account with their own premium starter kit, Young Living will give you $65. So if your initial outlay was, say, a premium starter kit Dewdrop, it cost $259. 4 friends at $65, the company will give you $260, which means you come out $1 in front.
Yep, except for the postage.
Oh yeah, and postage.
But
then you'll have to sign up 5 friends to cover the postage. I'm sorry,
I'm sorry, I was just being picky there. So number 1, PSK.
Yep.
Number 2.
Number 2 is get on Essential Rewards and get 10% back for the first 3 months, then 20%, then 25%. And basically you bank that money, you use it, and for whatever free products that you want.
Yep. Number 3.
Number 3 is those free oils, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, and every year on your anniversary, Young Living will give you free oils.
And that just adds up over time, doesn't it?
Yeah.
They're great oils. Okay, number 4.
Number 4 is the promo oils or products or whatever you're getting every month. So, you know, do the 190, do the 250, 320. Even if your order may only be 100 PV, you might, you know, have put on your shampoo and your conditioner and your moisturizer and your face cream, and it might only come to 100 PV. So ask your friends and family that don't yet have an account so that you can get them to add to your account, so you can get your order to 190, 250 or 320, whatever the PV is for that month, and Young Living will again give you free stuff.
And the last one, number 5.
And the number 5 is get your friends and family not only to get a premium starter kit, but to get on Essential Rewards, because then Young Living will once again give you a bonus for the first 3 months of $32.50 for month 2 and month 3 if they do a 100 PV order. If they do more, then obviously you get more. And then I should actually say that from then on, obviously it changes depending on where they are in your structure, but you get 8%, 5%, 4%, wherever they are in your structure. If they're on your front line, you get 8% off their orders forever after.
Yeah. And obviously when they start signing up their friends, the whole process continues.
Yeah, and Young Living actually give you 10%, but we said we were going to keep this easy and simple, and so if you want to know more about the 10% and all the other commissions, then you should check out mine and Jeremy's commission video.
Which we haven't done yet.
Oh no, we have done one. There's a...
Oh no, we have.
Remember
Yeah.
we did one? Yeah,
We
Zoom
did.
one.
True.
So, anyway.
True. I think that's it for us. That was 14 minutes.
14 minutes, awesome. Well under the 20 minutes. So if you have questions, we haven't had time to read the questions tonight, if there is any or comments. So feel free to put them in and we'll answer them later on tonight.
And it would be really helpful. We want to keep doing these Facebook Lives, and we want to be giving you information that's you're going to find helpful and useful and relevant. So if you want to put that in the comments too, what you'd like to hear, that would be awesome. Have a good night.
Thanks.
See ya.
Bye.